Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a button that looks like a bell that's beside that subscribe button. All you do is press it, and what ends up happening when you do that, it's called the notification bell. YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a new video. It's good for two reasons. One, I use it as a shortcut that it shows up in your emails. You see what the video is about, the description's there, and if you press on the picture, it brings you right to the video. So I like it for that reason. The second reason I like it is I do a lot of videos and sometimes they're deals, so they're time sensitive. So you'll get to see in your inbox if it's something that you want to watch right away or something you want to save for later. So that's why I like getting that. So that's what that notification bell does for you. Okay, today it is about a deal that I ended up getting, and I still think that it is available, but my deal ended up being extra special for me because I used to purchase directly from certain websites. So Tarte was one of the ones that I did because they always run these fantastic deals. This deal after Christmas was one that I had to do. So the reason I say that is the whole point of this channel was, and the reason I came up with the name True Wants, is I always say to myself, is that something that I need or is it something that I just truly want? So that's how I justify a lot of my purchases, and especially now with getting subscription boxes, we get so much that to go outside to purchase something, it really has to be a deal that's crazy, or it's a product that I cannot live without, and I wait for it to go on sale and things like that. So there was a product that I saw that I wanted that was during Christmas time, and I said to myself, you really don't need this, but if it does go on sale and it fits within what I consider a great deal, then I'm gonna get it. All of a sudden after Christmas, I started seeing all these crazy deals come down, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go to my True Wants list and see what's on there that I really wanna look for. So the item that was in there was a Tarte item that I thought would be really great for me for traveling, and it was a compact, and it hit everything that I would want in the product, but it was $50, and I didn't wanna spend $50. All of a sudden on the sale, it went down to $30. $30 was a lot better than $50, but it still wasn't where I wanted it to be. I then checked in my Tarte's rewards area, where if you do reviews and things, you end up getting reward points during certain purchases and stuff. It's very similar to the ULTA rewards, but you can only use them on the Tarte website. So I had enough points that it was going to give me a $20 credit against any of my purchases. So now that $30 price went down to $10, which was to me a no-brainer. Then in the back of my head I have, okay, free shipping is $25. Maybe I'll look to see if there's something else that I want so I won't have to pay the $5, $6 shipping, because all of us don't like, well, me in particular, don't like paying shipping. To me, I think it's money that could be put towards a lipstick or an eyeliner or things like that. I said, you know what? Even at $10, if it's $5 shipping, it means it's $15. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. And that's what I did. So I really stuck to my rules. I didn't go up to that 25 free ship. So for me, that was a great way to start 2020, because normally I do. And so this whole package that I'm going to show you ended up costing me $15, which to me is an absolute steal. As you know, with Tarte, I really do enjoy their blushes and their bronzers. To me, their blushes, their Amazon clay brushes, are fantastic. I also read a lot of the reviews that in the past, during Christmas time, some of the Tarte deals, the products didn't perform as well as the products that they normally feature. I haven't seen that for a couple of years now, so I'm really hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that this is a brand new product. It's one new to their line, so hopefully this will be as good as some of the other products that I got last Christmas from them, which were my blush compacts and things like that. So, and those were absolutely fantastic. So this one came today, and it came in this gorgeous, gorgeous, huge Tarte box like this. And then when I opened it, It was covered in this beautiful, beautiful purple tissue paper with their logo all over it. And I love when companies do that little extra by putting all of that in here. It was a small, it was a small package that was inside of here, and it was this one. So it was packaged so nicely that I knew there was going to be no problems with the product. And like I said, the packaging alone on the outside is absolutely stunning, and the item inside is the one that we're going to be talking about is outside on here. So I'm just going to open it up and show it to you guys. It all came inside here with plastic and in these plastic containers so that everything stayed in place, and then I pulled everything out just so that I'd be able to show it to you guys. So got a full-size Tarte mascara. This mascara is one of their greatest products that they take and they literally just change the outer packaging to make it as a theme of what they're going to for that month. So they really have a good mascara. So if you like their mascara and you see it in these packages, 90% of the time it's the same mascara, just repackaged. And these are just standard mascaras. They have that fantastic brush, not the sprickly bristles. I have so many mascaras open that this one's going to go into an area that I have so many that I have to try, but this one I know how it's going to perform, so this one is just a keepsake for me. So that's really great. The second item that was in here was a dual-sided brush. The brushes from Tarte are fantastic. If you have an opportunity, majority of my kits that I get, if you've watched my channel a little bit, you know that I purchase them off QVC or HSN. And majority of the time what they do is they add brushes into their kits, and they're usually the brushes from their collection, so you're getting a really good brush. A lot of the brushes that I have are either from IT Cosmetics, Tarte, or Mally, and they're all brushes that I still use to this day. They really have longevity and they're beautiful. So this is a soft bristle brush. You have the smaller one that's really great for highlighter and smaller areas, and then you have this, which is good for your contour, your blush, or your bronzer. So really happy that this came with it. And like I said, the mascara alone is a $20 value. So I mean, unbelievable. This was a fantastic deal. So this is what the actual product looks like. It is nicer than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be really a lot smaller. This is a nice compact palette that I'm going to be able to take with me that has the blushes, the bronzers, the highlighters, as well as the eyeshadows in here. So I wanted to share that with you guys and show it to you, and then you'll be able to see why I was so excited about it. So this whole top part here is a mirror. I'm gonna see if I can cover it with something that I have. Okay, here we go. So that's it here. So you have on the first level here, you have your blushes and your highlighters. I really didn't even open this to see it before I saw it with you guys. I just wanted to take it out of the packaging, and I think the colors are just stunning. I will swatch these after we finish opening everything up. Then you pull out the two sides, and then when you pull them out, they're really nicely compact, so you really have to push it so that it's not the type that's going to slide and slide out. But what's also great is you could leave it open and then play. So I really, really like that. And these are the stunning colors that got me when I first saw this, and that's when it went on my wants list. So you have a bunch of shimmers, you have some mattes. It's all the colors that I love. I love all the warm tones, and I just want to show that to you guys here. So I'm just going to pull out a wet nap, and then we're going to do some swatching so you guys can see what I ended up getting and why I'm so excited about this. But what a deal. Okay, so it's only a deal if you get a great price for a product that you're going to use. Otherwise, you're just throwing money away. So I knew for sure the mascara was something I would use. And I knew 100% the dual-sided brush is something that I would want. But this compact, I'm telling you, from the day that I saw it, it was the first item on the list, and I watched it because this literally came out early. Tarte came out with all of their Christmas items early, and so I just assumed that they would start getting discounted earlier, and it really happened after Christmas. So to me, this is a win if you can be patient, and sometimes you end up getting, sometimes you lose too because these are limited editions and sometimes they sell out. So the first two items here that are on this side is one highlighter, and to me this is a blush that you can also use as a bronzer depending on your skin tone. And I'm just gonna swatch those right here, and those are them right there. Really, really pretty. And then I'm just gonna wipe in between. So I use a little bit of a wet nap, and then I use a towel just to dry my hand. And then we have the pinky tone and another highlighter, and that's that there. So I'm gonna put those right beside. The colors are stunning. It's exactly what I wanted. I am so happy. So this is great. So like I said, this is called Tarte Treasures Collector Set. So if you go on their website, hopefully it's still available. It just was, because like I said, this came in just literally less than a week. All right, the top rows, there's 9 colors here. I think the names are on the back here. They are. So they're not listed underneath the product, they're listed on the back. So names really, to me, are cute, but unless you're doing a tutorial of the colors, the names are really just, you know, names. So those are those 3 there. I'll just do the next 3. So this middle one here is a matte, and those are 2 shimmers over there. And those are them there. They're really swatching beautifully, and I'm seeing 0 fallout, which I will show you when I lift this up. But sometimes when you're picking things up with your fingers is one thing, and then when you use a brush, sometimes you end up getting with a little bit more fallout. But I am telling you, I am seeing 0 anything. So those are all the colors there. Is that not stunning? Wow. I am so, so happy and so impressed. It's even better than I thought it was going to be, honestly. So this is the palette here. Like I said, you just swoop these 2 sides together, and then you just close it. And it's that simple. So like I said, there's the names are like Glow Sun, Bow Tied, Always Nice, Drippin', Wonderland, Glided, Canberry Kiss, Foiled, Hot Cocoa and Chill, Cinnamon Swirl, Nutmeg, Butter Rum, and Giving. So to me, this was an absolute win of a palette. Like I said, it is called Tarte Treasures. This is still available on their website. This is everything that you get inside, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So hopefully you're enjoying these videos, and if you are, I want to thank you for joining me. Thank you for finding me. And if you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy and it's free. It's that red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. Once again, thank you for everybody for joining me, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye for now.